Welcome to another BlogHandy tutorial on how to add a beautiful looking and an SEO optimized blog to your existing website or shop. My name is Uwe, I'm the founder of BlogHandy, and today we're looking at ShopBase and how to add a blog to our ShopBase store. So let me get into my ShopBase account. And here in our ShopBase account we have to go all the way down to find online store. Let's click on it. And then we have to go to pages. Alright, perfect. So let's click on add page. And then we give this page a title, for example, blog. As the next step, we have to find this little icon. This is to see the HTML code or the source code. And let's go to BlogHandy now and let's take the step 2 code snippet. This is a div ID bh posts part of the code. And let's go back to ShopBase and paste it here and click on save. You will notice that there's no information here. That's all fine. Let's just click on save. Okay, great. So now we've added the blog page to our ShopBase account. We've added part of our BlogHandy code snippet, and now we have to add the first part of the code snippet. For that, let's go to preferences. We're still under the online store menu point, and then go down and look for the additional scripts. And then either in the head or in the body part, we have to copy paste our BlogHandy code snippet, the step 1, the JavaScript bit. So let's just copy it, go back to ShopBase and paste it and press here on save. Okay, great. So let's also add our store to the navigation so that we can see it. So let's click on navigation. We're still under online store, and under main menu, just click on it. This is our current main menu. So let's just click on add menu item. We give it the name blog, and for the link we want to search for pages. Click on it, and then we need to look for our blog page. It's the bottom here, and click on add. Let's click on save menu. Perfect. And let's preview our store. Okay, great. So this is our store. As you can see, here's the menu. Here's the new menu item blog. Let's click on it. Okay, great. And this is our blog loading. Okay, we once set the title in ShopBase and once in BlogHandy, so we can just delete it either in ShopBase or in BlogHandy. I will show you in a moment how to do that. And here's the blog. Let's click on a blog post. And let's do a few quick changes in our BlogHandy account. Number 1, we have to copy paste the link from our ShopBase account and paste it in BlogHandy. For that, go to BlogHandy, click on settings, and under blog URL just paste the link here and just go all the way down and click on save all changes. Here we can also remove the homepage heading blog. Let's remove it so we don't have it twice. And also here under layout and design, you can change the design of your blog. For example, this is our default design, and it's as simple as this. You just move the switch and it will change the blog design for you. Let's have a quick look. I just click here on blog again. Great. As you can see, we only have the blog title once here. This is a title we got from ShopBase. I removed it from BlogHandy's side, and here you have the different design. You can click on it. Here are the blog posts. Back to blog. Perfect, it's all working. If you've got any questions regarding BlogHandy and ShopBase, let me know in the comments below. I'm always happy to help. Happy blogging, and bye bye for now.